Once upon a time, in a town of ordinary colored cats, lived Gary, the green cat. He was teased for his spinach-colored fur and his obsession with green eggs and kale smoothies. "You look like broccoli with a tail," they'd meow. Due to the way that Gary the green cat was treated bad by the other cats, Gary would go into his kitchen to enjoy green eggs and a kale smoothie alone. But one day, while his peers were napping flabbily, Gary's biceps popped like balloons as he enjoyed eating healthy. Turns out, veggies made him ripped. Soon, he was saving kittens from trees, lifting buses, and starring in feline fitness videos. The same cats who mocked him now flexed tofu dumbbells in his honor. Gary smiled, whiskers twitching. Being different never tasted so good.